Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Something Rational again. So we have been solving quadratic functions, features, quadratic functions, solution of quadratic functions as well. Um, and these are the questions from NJSLA release items. One of the typical question again, equivalent expression of the given expression. So this type of questions were, it repeats almost every 2-3 years. So we need to be careful about it, okay? So here, x squared plus 4x plus 3 is given as a quadratic expression. So we should not solve here any equation or something like, because they don't want from us to solve any equation, okay? Which expression is equivalent to this expression? So you can pause the video and you can just like think about it. So when I look at the answers, these two of them is like vertex form, and these three of them is a factor form. It means that we can factor this and we can write it down, or we can just write in a vertex form and we can just like check it whether they are equal or not. Okay. Or what we can do from options, we can check them one by one. Okay. I will show you the two ways. Let's go from option first. Okay. Let's go from option first. Let's make them equal, what they are equal to. X plus 2 square. First of all, let me write it x plus 2 whole square here. X plus 2 whole square is, again, it is not x square plus 4, okay? So that is the common mistake that students are doing. They are taking x and 2 square and they are adding up. It is not that much. Okay, easy. So it means like it is not that much short. Easy, but not that much short. X plus 2, we need to multiply it, okay? X times x, which is x squared. X times 2, 2x. 2 times x, 2x more, okay? And 2 times 2, which is 4. As you see, there's a middle term. It's not only x squared plus 4. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 4, okay? So we have this. When I look at this, and so I need to write it x squared plus 4x plus 4 first, and negative 1 is next to that. It means that when you combine the like terms, x squared plus 4x plus 3, yep, they are same. Okay, we can take this. So if they are same, this is not, because it is plus 1. Let me write it again. X squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 1, which means that instead of becoming 3, it's becoming x squared plus 4x. Since plus 1, plus 4 and plus 1, it's becoming 5. So they are not same. What about these two multiplication? So multiply them. X squared, let me make it a little bit shorter. X squared minus x and minus 3x is minus 4x, okay? And the minus 1 and minus 3, it is plus 3. So they are same? No, slight difference. If there is a negative 4x, there's a positive 4x. We say no again. What about this? X squared times x squared, x squared. 1 times x, let me write it open, maybe, just I don't want to confuse you with the previous one. Plus 3 times x is 3x, okay? 1 times 3, 3. So when you simplify it, x squared plus 4x plus 4, okay? Either you can write it like wide open, or you can just think about that. Negative 3 and negative 1 comes because of that negative 4x is there. Or we can write it like x times x, x squared minus 3x, and then minus 1 times x minus x, and minus 1 times negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. So negative 3x negative x is becoming negative 4x, okay? What about this? So this one is okay, means like correct. What about the last one? What do you think? Last one will be correct? So let's do it. X times x, x squared, okay? Then 4x, then minus x, then negative 4, okay? So when you simplify, what you get? X squared plus 3x minus 4. Are they do they look like each other? No, this is nulls. Only we have two correct answers, okay? If you want, there is another way. If you want, let as I told you, that factor form. So x squared plus 4x plus 3. How we can factor it? As you know, we are looking for two numbers, their multiplication 3 and their addition must be 4. So 1 times 3 is 3 and 1 plus 3 is 4. Because of that, it can be factored as x plus 1 and x plus 3. Because of that, where you see x plus 1 and x plus 3, that will be correct. Which one? D. Yep. How to write this in a vertex form? So we need to complete it to complete square. X squared plus 4x plus what number will make, let me write to the side, will make whole expression is a whole square. Already we discussed here. You see that? X plus 2 whole square, x squared plus 4x plus 4 will make it whole square. Okay? X squared plus 4x plus 4 is becoming x plus 2 whole square. We discussed this already above. So since I added 4, I need to subtract 4 also. Why? Because the same equation should remain. I should not change the equation a lot. So by adding some numbers and by subtracting some numbers, equation must or expression must remain same. Okay? So which is 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So which means x squared, x plus 2 whole square minus 1 will give you the same expression as x squared plus 3x plus 3, which is in the A option also. Okay? So A and D option will be correct for this question. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.